The Moorhen bird picking a twig stick. I think that's the male. Then bring it up to the female to build it. Look, carrying it all the materials. Carrying the materials. Bring it to the female. That's the male. Carrying the heavy materials, going to the female to take it. The female gonna take it to build it. Look, they helping each other. That's incredible. That's amazing wildlife. The partner helping each other to build their nest. That's incredible. Taking the old nest. I think they don't like to build a nest there because these people will notice it there. It's hiding like hiding nest. It's there. Carrying it, then give it to the partner. The partner will pick it up. It's there. Then gonna go back there. Oh my god, this is amazing. bringing back? What happened? I think they got the wrong materials. She got the wrong. I think he got the wrong materials. Gonna take a different one. Different materials. Oh, it's a train. Is there? Look. Train is there. Oh, there's a lone mallard duck in here. Looking for the farmer as well. Where are you going? Oh, there's a mallard duck, I think. The schooling. Oh, there you are. I think got the right materials now. There you are. There you are. You already picked the right materials. Then, oh, then they will help now. Oh, they will really go in this one. I think going to find another different materials. Go to this way. The female. The male is there. Oh wow! There's there you have got two racing Canadian geese there. Racing Canadian geese there. I love Canadian geese. There you go when you're going to Alberta. Let's see. Wow! Get up on the other side. Oh, I'm working really hard. To build their nest, really. There you are. Amazing. Look. I think the baby is helping them now to build the nest. Is there? There you are. The two chicks is there. Two chicks is there. Let's see, got some the plastic. The babies is there. Now they're carrying it to the new nest they're going to build. There you are, a strong male Moorhen bird. And the new nest to build and picking up.